Have you ever noticed how sometimes a weak plant suddenly starts looking greener, stronger, and more alive without expensive fertilizers? The secret may be simpler than you think. Today I'm sharing an easy homemade plant booster made with rice, oats, turmeric, and one surprising ingredient that many gardeners overlook. Start by adding 1 spoon of raw rice into 500 milliliters of water. Rice slowly releases natural starch and small amounts of nutrients that can help create a better environment for root development and healthy green growth. Next, add 1 spoon of oats. Oats contribute organic matter that may support beneficial soil microorganisms and help the soil hold moisture longer, keeping roots more comfortable. Now add 1 spoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is often used in home gardening because it contains natural compounds that may help support cleaner, healthier conditions around the root zone. And here comes the important step. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Many people skip this ingredient, but sugar can help feed beneficial microbes during fermentation and make the mixture more active. Mix everything well, close the jar, and place it somewhere warm for 1 day. During this time, natural fermentation develops helpful microorganisms that may support healthier plant growth. After fermentation, strain the liquid. Before using, mix 1 part of the solution with 5 parts water. Pour it directly into the soil around your plants. You can also add some of the diluted mixture to a spray bottle and lightly mist the leaves. Use this only once every 2 weeks. With time, you may notice greener leaves, stronger stems, and healthier looking plants. Sometimes plants don't need more fertilizer. They simply need the right natural support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more simple gardening tips.